ultrasonic servo-powered welders. The Infinity series is the culmination of 40 years of Dukane's ultrasonics experience and pushing things forward to minimize variability in your assembly process. We offer something that nobody else does with our melt match technology, and with melt match we're able to essentially eliminate the variability that occurs in the first end of your process, during the process, and at the end of your process. All of this leads to parts that are either stronger, more consistent, or both, and oftentimes it is both. The new Infinity line offers some pretty interesting features. Quick stack technology for easy changeover from one process to another. We can basically get a setup changed over in about a minute. The ability to set these up as a series of welders, or welders all around the world, when you've developed a process on one servo welder, transferring that setup to another welder somewhere else is painless, and it's unbelievably consistent. You get exactly the same results because that motion profile is absolutely copied from one welder to another. There's no more adjusting, tweaking, making that process work with slight adjustments. That process is the process for your assembly, and it's unmatchable in ease of setup and in consistency from welder to welder. If you're welding if you're setting up several welders in series, you'll see the exact same process set up on all of those welders. It's going through that same motion profile on all of those welders, and you get the same results on every single one of those welders. So like any application, medical devices and medical device manufacturers are looking again to reduce variability. There's plenty of variability in the molded parts. You've got part tolerances, you've got cavity to cavity variability. With the servo welder with melt match, we eliminate all of that variability in the final processing of those parts. So why have another bit of variability in your process that you don't need? The servo welder eliminates that by again creating a weld profile that is repeated over and over and over again, regardless of the plastic that's inside, the plastic parts that are in that fixture.